Hi friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about mechanics. Mechanics is the oldest topic of the physics. Mechanics deals with the study of the motion of a material object. Mechanics is classified broadly into two different subjects, that is statics and dynamics. Now, what is statics? Statics means rest. That means a material object is in rest position. Now, what is rest? Or when we can say the object is at rest. An object is said to be in a state of rest if it is do not changing its position with respect to time. That means as time changes, the position of the object remains same throughout the time interval. That is called the object is in the state of rest. It may be due to zero application of force, that means no force is acting on the object, or may be due to the equilibrium of forces, that means the equal amount of force is applied from all directions and it get cancelled. Therefore, the object may be in the state of rest. And dynamics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of the object in motion. So motion is common to everything in the universe. For example, we are walking on the path, running, riding a bicycle, flying of bird, jumping of frog, rotation of earth, revolution of earth around sun, etc. This examples shows that the object is changing its position with respect to surrounding or with respect to time. That means at the different intervals of time, the object attains new positions in the space. So this change in position of the object with respect to time, with respect to surrounding, is called motion. So we come to know that what is rest and motion. But this rest and motion are relative terms. So motion is common to everything in the universe. For example, we are walking on the path, running, riding a bicycle, flying of bird, jumping of frog, rotation of earth, revolution of earth around sun, etc. This example shows that the object is changing its position with respect to surrounding or with respect to time. That means at the different intervals of time, the object attains new positions in the space. So this change in position of the object with respect to time, with respect to surrounding, is called motion. So we come to know that what is rest and motion. But this rest and motion are relative terms. For example, a person sitting in the train is a per, is for example, a person sitting in a moving train is in the state of rest with respect to the fellow passengers, but he is in motion with respect to the object outside the train. So rest and motion are relative terms. So from the concept of motion and rest, we have a new chapter, that is motion in a straight line, in which we will go through different terms such as rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? The study of motion of an object in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. And another term is kinematics. So, what do you mean by kinematics? The kinematics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion of an object without knowing the cause of the motion. That means why motion takes place, we are not interested in the cause of the motion. We just study how motion takes place and what is its velocity, what its acceleration, but we won't go through why motion takes place. So this concept comes under kinematics. In a motion of a straight line, we sometimes described an object to be a point object. So what do you mean by point object? During the motion of an object, the distance covered by the object is very large compared to the size of the object. In that case, the object is described as a point object. Example, a car traveling hundreds of kilometers is regarded as a point object. A kite flying in the sky also can be regarded as a point object. A satellite revolving around the earth is also described as a point object. The motion takes place in a straight line is called one-dimensional motion. For example, motion of a train in a railway track. A particle moving in a curved path in a field is called motion in two dimensions. For example, a carom coin rebounding from the side of the board. A particle moving in a space has three-dimensional motion. For example, a kite flying in a windy day.